Keith.
Hi. Hi, Kyle.
Hey, morning.
Bad lady. Here we go.
So we're all set, we're all done blasting. We've got everything hooked up here and it's time to tear it down. We're gonna show you the proper process of taking the machine down, putting it away. And we're gonna first start here at the gun level. So we're gonna make sure that we disconnect our nozzle gun, take care of the hoses, separate both the hoses from each other. And the most important thing is to make sure that we're also separating or taking the hose off of the blaster, wrapping it up. And we'll put it all on the top. So we're gonna start taking that, tearing that all down. We'll show you how that's done and return back to us. So. Disconnect the gun from the blast hose. That's the gun. In the bottom toolbox, we'll have the gun, the ground cable, and then also the scoop. On the top, we'll have the nozzles and the handle, and there's a couple of fittings as well. Now we're gonna separate a 1-inch blast hose from the 1 1/4. Secure down. Disconnect the hose from the blaster. We do not want leave the hose hooked up. Connector, put that one up on top. We're going to disconnect the aftercooler from the blaster itself. Disconnect the air line from the blaster. And we'll just wrap up the air line. Set in here as well. Secure this back down onto the skid. Secure the pins. There are 2 locking pieces in the back there.